What's up, everyone? This is Andre from Localization Academy. Welcome to one of the last Localization Basics that we're going to give you. And in this one, we're going to talk about pre-processing and also post-processing. So what do these two terms mean? Well, let's say we have a client. The client wants to translate or localize an application or software, okay? So it comes in a very weird format. And what we want to do with this is we want to send it for translation to our dear translators. But our translators are not very techie people. They don't know what to do with the software if you just send it to them, okay? So the translators expect to receive all the strings for translation in some nice easy text format, ideally right away in a TMS tool or a CAT tool. We already covered those terms. So what happens between then is we need to actually turn or extract the things that are localizable, translatable, and create it in a way that the translators can easily work with. And now that process is pre-processing, okay? It's basically preparing the files for translation so that then it can be easily uploaded to TMS or to CAT tools, and then the translators do their magic and they provide us with the beautiful quality translations, and maybe then we review it. And then what happens after that is the client doesn't care about, in a way, about the translations per se. They don't want to see the translations in a CAT tool or TMS, right? They actually want the localized software or their application or website or whatever they have. So then we have to do the other thing, which is we need to take the translations and put them back into the original format that the clients wants us to have, okay? And that part is what is called post-processing. So now we know what is the difference between pre-processing and post-processing, and the beautiful people who usually handle pre-processing and post-processing are localization engineers, and we already had a video about that. So pre-processing, post-processing, that's it, bye.